Chinga madre, no árbitro cambio. So today's vlog. So we got the EVO ski, and I'm pretty excited. This is kind of like my first official sponsorship. So I'll show you guys right now what we're gonna install. Ponme acá para no darle una madriza al carro, güey.
Hit us up, NG Auto Repair. And he works on marine cars, making models, boats, airplanes, everything. And that's how you get a rod knock at 100,000 miles.
So we got Chancholini here. If you guys remember Chancholini, he's the one that had the STI and he just done fucked up with life. Now that we have him here, let's ask him real quick. Hey, you fucking asswipe. Why'd you get rid of the STI?
I got pulled over too many times. Then I got ref. Then I got my license taken away.
No mames, nomás por niño bueno.
Yeah, por niño bueno.
Che, güey. What, that's it? No more karting for you?
Not right now. Right now, I got a bike, Birdie.
Waiting to get clipped in the middle of the freeway to fly at 100
Something like that. Hey, but you won't feel it.
Ay, ay, ay. Luego, mira, el maestro mecánico. Y luego el maestro mecánico, a ver, dígale what's up a la Pipo.
What's up?
Hey, ¿y luego qué? ¿Qué pasó con el Corvette?
Allá está afuera.
¿Y qué ya? ¿Le vamos a meter un turbo o qué?
Un supercharge.
A la madre. Ah, sí,
sale unos 700 caballos.
A la madre. Ay, papi, ¿no? What's up, baby? How you doing? Es el compa Ronnie. Dile what's up a la Pipo al chat. ¿Y luego qué? ¿Un tal Ike?
Ya está ahorita guardado durmiendo para la noche.
A la madre.
¿Qué vas a hacerle al Ivo ahora?
¿Le decimos de una vez o nomás le abrimos la caja y le decimos que vamos?
No digamos, pero yo voy a decir que como le vas a hacer algo, por eso se quiere llover, ahorita en pleno verano.
Ah, te digo. Look at that shit. Aquí, I'm telling you, Nacho's Performance, yeah, we do all kinds of stuff. We do trucks, we do everything. Aviones, motores,
helicópteros, lanchas, barcos.
Y sí, tenemos una pinche lancha hasta por allá. We went ahead and did a collaboration partnership with SYGAV. If you guys don't know SYGAV, SYGAV is a company that does head units for all kinds of cars. And in this one, they went ahead and did a special sponsorship for us out here for the EVO. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing and see what we got inside. I've never been the best with packaging stuff, but you always wanna do it away. Ah, pinche lengua de suegra. A la madre. Here. Alright, so coming in the packaging. Ooh. I don't even know if I want to take it out. That's how nice the package is. A ver, vamos a ver. Hey, this is really nice. And it comes already with a pre-cut out for the vents and stuff, so there's just gonna be a couple things that we're gonna go ahead and do. I did order the rear camera, and if you guys know, at least for these GSRs, for the year that I got, 2011, so I'm assuming that the other years prior to that don't have a reverse cam, so. Ay, el compa Navi, ¿cómo estás, padre?
Madreado.
Uy.
Este clima, mira.
Luego tenemos a la negra Tomás Aguirre. ¡Este güey ya me está desmadrando todo!
Espérate,
Corta, árbitro. Oh, let me see, are you repping the OG stuff there, buddy?
Yeah, buddy.
Más muy avanzado. A ver, what do we have to do prior?
Take the transmission off.
Ah, no, seas mamón. The little cover. Oh, shit, that shit hurt. The little cover, you have to pull it down, right? And this only held by one bolt here and all these clips here. So you have to take off this plastic that was here. Take it off with the Phillips head. And then this piece just comes off right off. And then we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the hazard button that's on here. Here, I'm gonna have to take you guys off the stand right quick. See, so the hazard's held on by 3 Phillips heads. And the good thing is I've been seeing videos that once that detaches, you're gonna have to take it off in the back. This whole head unit comes off pretty easy. Let me go to the driver's side so I can show you guys. Literally you just pull up. I mean, it'd help, I guess, if you had some plastic pry bars, but That's the face of the unit. Look at that. You're gonna just take this off and this whole freaking disc unit comes out. You're gonna have all this space. We're gonna add the microphone, we're gonna add the reverse camera, and we're gonna add the navigation systems. So pretty much this, it comes with a plug and play, literally. Like it's almost dummy proof. If this ape can do it, anybody can do it. I think the most tedious part is, honestly, we're gonna have to make room. We're gonna have to pry these plastics out and run the cable all the way to the back to next to the license plate cover. But all right, so it looks like a lot, but it is like a lot. So we pretty much have to take off this pillar because we're gonna add the microphone. There is a navigation little box that we're gonna go ahead and just shove in there. We're running the wires from the back of the steering column and running it down through this pillar here. Again, back to the steering column, down to this kick panel here, into here. We're running the cable here, as you can see. This is for the back camera. We're gonna put this behind the seat. Te puedo hacer una pregunta. ¿Cómo se siente ser un biquero now?
Biquero, no. Un sueño cumplido.
¿Ya? ¿Siempre quedó una moto?
Sí, ya. Mira, mira, mira. Mi pinche Daytona 660 Triumph.
Ay, la
sí. 10,000 bolas en el dealer.
¡Ah, la madre! ¿Y siempre quedó motos?
Sí, yo siempre quedó moto. No sabía qué modelo, pero ahí vamos, buscando.
De veras, güey. ¿Y cuando la compraste sabías cómo retear?
No, muy culo. Pero YOLO.
Puro pinche YOLO. Fuck, a Daytona 660.
Vamos con el Corvette o el Super.
Oh, what do you guys think he should go for? A Supra or the C8 Corvette? I personally think he'll fit in a Supra. That'd be badass, you know.
Porque vamos a tunearlo, modificarlo, compa.
Hay un chingo de güeyes que saben ir a...
Pues ahí que comenten para no desviarnos del camino y caer en el hoyo.
We're gonna go get a Supra. What color are you gonna get?
Mi negro.
Alright, we're gonna go start hunting for Supras then. Damn. And then you got Chancho's car. Or...
¿Tiene huevos,
¿Sí?
Mi primera. El chingado.
¿Así lo hacen?
Sí, va para arriba la aguja, no te preocupes.
Ah, la madre. Estos pinches marranos que se quieren dar en la madre. Mira, qué obo. ¿Quién le va a ganar a quién?
Brian, es que también nomás es un pack,
¿Una mano? ¿Qué ocupas dos? ¿No puedes defenderte con una?
Es que Víctor se va a pelear con Brian. Es que tú y yo, Brian, ven. Es que tú y yo, Brian.
Record me. Oh, fuck this phone right now. Vete a grabar, estúpido. Es que Grandpa...
El Grandpa se lo va a chingar a los dos. ¡Por Dios, Es que mira también ese, mira.
Yes, you said Grandpa.
Es que mira también, güey.
¿Quién es el campeón? ¿Quién es el campeón? We're taking our sweet ass time trying to run through the firewall, which is incorrect. If you guys can see, this is where the light goes and it sits. So this has to go where the license plate cover is. And apparently the license plate cover
Give me a light that works.
Here. We put the plastic panels back on and we made sure everything worked, and it comes, like I said, with the reverse camera. So went ahead and that looks really good. So we're just gonna put all the plastics back together and we should be all set to go. What do you think? How do you think what was the thoughts about this install?
Pretty easy, plug and play.
It's just very tedious though, huh? Alright, so we put the Phillips heads right back in where they came out of. I just slapped this on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, and pretty much this is the end product, guys. Again, it's not a difficult process to do, however, it's a tedious process to do. Ay, 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 Papa Sean. Oval. So it looks. Whoop, where my keys? Oh, there it is. Rear camera. Alright. Not bad. And what I like about it, that we went through the menu and all that stuff, so you're gonna have to manually go ahead and select the steering wheel command. So you're gonna go into the wheel options, and then you're gonna push this, and when you push this, what do you want to do, what shortcut, and it gives you the option to put this to do, pretty much mimic whatever you want. If you want this, if you want something else, then you could always do that. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Again, thank you to SYGAV for the sponsorship, guys. I did a lot of research for a lot of the other head units, and the reason I went with this one, you know, is because I'd seen, it wasn't many, but the few reviews that were there, they really loved the response time, and that's the biggest thing for me, response. You know how you touch it and you go like that, and then 2 seconds later, then it'll go. Nah, this one's al putazo, and it gives it a more modern look, guys. So I like it. I enjoy it. It's compatible with the Rockford Fosgate setup that it comes with, so I'm pretty happy about that, and we're all done. Go ahead, and I'm gonna leave the promo code here for SYGAV to get $30 off your purchase. I'll do a little update on my TikTok, so if you guys follow me on TikTok or Instagram, I'll give you more feedback of the things that I do and don't like. But so for the most part, right now, alright, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for the support. Shout out to my brother Prieto, you know, the homies. We had Chancho, we got my pops, Ronnie, Victor, you know, just meet up the crew. We're gonna definitely have to make more vids just of cruising and chilling and hanging out and vibing. Alright, guys, do what you love what you do. Until the next vlog, guys, deuces.